Today we have a 2022 Chevrolet Equinox front wheel drive 1LT package. This one does have the confidence and convenience package. Part of that package, it gets you the front and rear parking assist, remote start, power lift gate, blind zone alert. You got a power seat. There's where your lift gate is going to be. To program the lift gate, you're going to push this to 3/4. Then you're going to go back here and open this up. Find this button right here. You're going to put the lift gate to the determined height and press and hold. That's all you do. You'll know you did it right if the the beeps go off and the lights flash in the back. While we're back here, I'll show you, this one does have the cargo liner for the back, as well as extra storage. Your spare is actually located under here. To lay the seats down, you'll just pull this. You can also use that to lower the seats. The back of this LT model, you do have a lot of room. On the Equinox, you do have your rear vents here, 2 extra charging ports there, as well as your cup holder. And the floor liners are on this model. Inside of this vehicle, you're going to see some awesome features that are now standard. You have these IntelliBeam headlamps that are located right there. That'll turn your high beams on and off on a highway type of road or where it can detect lines. This is the awesome feature called Forward Collision Alert. That'll adjust how far you are from another car while you're driving. Super nice. You have your lane departure warning is also standard on these. So if you're drifting in your lane, the steering wheel will actually nudge a little bit if it's having that. Something always nice about these Equinox, you have your cruise control here. Behind there you have your channel search button once you have your favorites in there. And then your driver information center, push to talk, and your hang up button. And your volume is on this side. Your 7-inch screen. You have a backup camera on here as well, which has been standard for a long time. You have your driver and front passenger temperature controls, as well as your heated seats for driver and front passenger. Your transmission, you do have a plus and minus that will just control what gear you're in. I'll show. So if I go down to L, it's going to say L1. And you can change that. This is a 6-speed transmission. But the reason you'd use that is if you're needing to drive it in some bad weather and you want to have more control of your speed, you can go to L2. It will only be a 2-speed transmission. This is your electronic parking brake. That's all you do to set it, and you push your foot on the brake and push down, and that releases it. Nothing to it. Here's how to set a channel. You just find a channel you like and press and hold till it beeps. You also get 3 months of Sirius XM radio with this model. So that will be a trial you have. Forgot this little area here. There's some extra power ports down below. USB-C, USB auxiliary, and a cigarette lighter style plug. That's your park assist button that turns them on. Anything on Chevys that's orange is on. That's how I remember it. Of course, your glove box there. I've been asking other videos where the location of the traction control has been moved to. I'll go ahead and show. It's accessible in the driver information center where it says options. You just go to options, and that's where you would turn it on and off. So if you wanted to turn that on or off, you would just select what you want to do. So if you want to turn it off, you just do that, and then that turns it off. It's in a different place, but it still has the same functions. And that was the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox front-wheel drive LT with the confidence and convenience package. Go to buywithbenny.com to secure this vehicle. We typically sell these really fast. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in there. Please subscribe for more videos and have a wonderful day.